Isuzu. This right here is a diesel Isuzu NPR, and I'm going to be doing the belt changes on them. The belts right here, I'm going to be doing both of them. It's actually not hard. Don't need a lot of stuff. Accessory belt and the fan belt. So I'm not really familiar with these engines like that, but I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, so there's the engine information. But first, we're going to start with the belt side. So there's your fan belt, and there's your accessory belt. So see how it wraps around, goes all the way down there. So there's a belt right there, and that one is a 14mm on that tensioner. Slides up and you'll allow that belt to come out. So let's show you. Okay, the way I took it off over there, I could have just left it on. So there's a nut right there that'll allow this to go up and down. So that's how we will be adjusting it, most likely. Because it'll allow that. So the more you screw that down, the more it'll let it go. With the belts off, I'm going to take the fan belt off now on the other side. 12mm right here. Get your long pry bar with that light. Put it in here. Just pull that off. To come around. Okay, so here we are on the side. That belt. Let's see, this is the other side where it drops to. So we're going to take that off. Here it is. I'm going to get it off with the compressor. Okay, we're changing this belt here. You can see how it's cracking. See how that's cracking? And it was also wedged into the pulley, as you could tell earlier. So this is not good. This right here could break on the truck while it's moving, and it won't be good. So we're changing both belts. And the other one, it's not too bad, but while we're down here changing belts, it's always good to change both of them. This is the part number for the smaller one. And you can just see the difference. This one here is missing a tooth. So you see that? That's what the belts are supposed to look like. So, bad and good, and we're going to just close this back here. And the belt, of course, is going to be tighter. But you want to just keep on doing this until you feel it coming down, tightening it. And like I said, this is actually the best belt to put on first. Recommended put this one on first, and then put the other one on. So, see it's moving. Alright, this is the second belt. Come back over here to this side. Like that. Put that on there. I'm gonna make sure that's wrapping around there at the bottom. I'm gonna come back up here. Like I said, the new belt is going to be tighter. Now we can tighten. Now we can tighten that back. I also wanted to point this out real quick. A good pulley, a good belt